3.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna do not 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm doing 9 Dino Smashers. Wow, that's a lot. So let's start with
You're gonna open all of them first, and then we'll be back.
Set those.
Okay?
So Stefan already opened.
You
the
don't
first
have. It's
one.
okay. It
So-
kind of opened up by itself.
So
What did you get on that one? What's his name?
Tundra Triceratops.
I can't even say it. Oh, you need a pen to cross that out. So we'll be right back. You're gonna go get a pen.
Since Stefan,
This is what he got for the first.
Tundra Triceratops.
That's a big word for this dinosaur.
It's already open, so
Don't need to say the same stuff. Wonder what you get this time.
ooh, glow in the dark.
What is the name of it?
Oh, he's a ooh.
What's his name? What is his name?
Cool T-Rex.
Cool T-Rex? That's a funny name for... Okay.
The next one is this one.
I wonder what you're gonna
I
get.
hope it's the Cool Caveman.
You want the
Ultra.
caveman?
Uh-huh.
Which one is this?
It's called
He's probably somewhere in this area. What is the name?
Winter Wolf.
Winter Wolf. Oh,
Green in the row.
that's what we got so far.
Next.
Wait. He's opening next. So next. Oh, it's fun. What is that one? Is it's probably. Oh.
No, it's not. It's different. I think it's
It is.
it's probably
On the bottom.
Tundra Triceratops.
This one is for this cute little guy.
Look.
And he has some kind of white stuff too.
Oh, please be hope.
Okay, let's see what you get for this one. Just open it hard or smash it.
Oh.
What is this one? I think it's somewhere in this area. What
Guess
is it?
what? I got a
What'd you
rare.
Ooh, yay!
Ice on bison.
Ooh, he got a rare one. Good job, Dennis.
And Martha took
Martha, those are tiny. Let's see. This is
I hope we
so
get the
far
ultra
he
rare.
got the rare one, ice on bison, and then he got these other common one. So,
And then next one. Oh, please be the Cool Caveman. It's the ultra rare. No.
give her the balloon, Stefan. It's her birthday balloon.
It's this.
Which one is that?
This one's.
Show what it looks like, a unicorn.
No, it's not. It's
What is it called?
Frosty Fox.
Ay, super.
Frosty Fox.
Ah,
Next one is this
Frosty
one.
Fox.
Okay, this one.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Oh, please be the. Oh, it's the raptor.
What is it?
There's some kind of. It's this one, I think.
Let me see.
It's called the Ice Raptor. Sure.
Yeah, it is Ice Raptor. You're right. This is how far we
Next
got.
one is this one. Please be the Cool Caveman. I hope it is this one.
If not, we can try again. Yeah, one more left. What'd you get?
Another. It's a Cool T-Rex. No. Oh,
It's okay. It's okay. And the last one, last time
oh, it's
to try out.
It's a 1.111% chance. It's a 1.0001%.
Next time your brother is gonna open it. Let him open the last one. Let's see what you get. Next time we should. Oh, what kind is that?
Oh, it's a siren lion. We got another rare one.
Wow, you got 2 rare. That's a good thing. So Dennis got 2 rares: ice on bison and Siberian lion, and the rest are regular ones. And these are the ones that he got. I'll take pictures at the end for you guys.
I really hope we get
not this train. Yeah, this little things.
I was just trying to hoping.
It's okay. We'll get some more. We're gonna try again.
I hope there's an ultra rare.
So that's all we have, right?
So that is all we have for you. So I didn't get the cool caveman. That's okay. Maybe the next one we can do. So I'll see you on to the next video. Bye.